Hello guys, my name is Azam and today I'm going to show you how to put a green screen effect on your laptop camera. So today we will perform this with this OBS software, OBS 26.1.1. So for this I am going to create a new scene and I will name it demo. So now in this screen I'm going to add a source and I'm going to click this plus button over here and then I am going to select video capture device. Now simply press OK and this is me, ignore me. You can ignore me and simply just press OK again. So this is me, don't mind me. Now in the sources, select video capture device, right click on it and select filters, and now select this plus button and use in this effect filters, select plus button and then use this chroma key F filter and just simply then press OK for the green screen effect. So as you can see, there is no green screen behind me, so it will not do anything right now, but you can add different custom colors and these are some other colors, and just press this custom color. I'm going to select black to show you how it actually works. So I've selected black. As you can see, everything has disappeared because it finds a black spot at every pixel, I think. But when I do the similarity to lower the similarity, you can see, now you can see me over here. Okay, just I'm going to keep it in this much and then close it. You can see me now. I am for you all I'm going to so I'm going to add display. I'm going to capture the display. Okay, I'm going to catch the other display, not this one. Yes, okay, so I'm going to move this to bottom and this is me. Wow. So you can adjust it and place anywhere you want. You can do this. Hello, you can see me. So by these all steps you can add a green screen effect and any other effect on your camera and on your screen, and you can also record it while you are recording anything. So if you like the video and if you get any help from the video, don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel if you are new. Thank you. Bye bye.